5 warm-up. What is the base of the parallelogram? So we've got a parallelogram here. There's a faint grid hidden behind it. The base, in this case, is right there, and that's a length of 3 units. The height is perpendicular to the base, which means that this is my height. And it's 1 unit. Calculate the area of the parallelogram. Area is equal to base times height. So in this case, that's 3 units times 1 unit, which makes it 3 units squared. Now, when you've got a grid like this, you don't have to measure anything necessarily. You can just call them units. It's probably very close to a centimeter, but probably not perfect. So we can just call it units, and then we're good. Question number 2, calculate 8 times 3 divided by 2. Well, according to BEDMAS, multiplication and division are done at the same time, starting on the left and working your way to the right. So that means multiplication is done first. 8 times 3 is 24. And then divide that by 2. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. For B, 9 times 4 divided by 2, it's the same order as part A. Multiplication first, then division. So first, second. I'll mark that over here too, first and second. 9 times 4 is 36. And then we're going to have to divide that by 2. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. Now these are all actually set up the exact same way. So multiplication first, division second. 12 times 4 is 48. And then we need to divide that by 2. So 48 divided by 2 is equal to 24. Multiplication first, division second. 8 times 10 is 80. Divide that by 2 gives us 40. Circle the numbers that are divisible by 2. Well, those are even numbers, which 3 is not, 8 is, 12 is, 15 is not, 22 is, 25 is not, 26 is, and so is 30. If you're dividing by 2, even numbers are nice to work with. Odd ones are a little trickier. But 16 divided by 2 is 8. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 22 divided by 2 is 11. And 60 divided by 2 is 30. So that's your warm-up.